Hey Math 7 students, here we are with Chapter 1, Section 5. This is a problem-solving investigation, so PSI, and the strategy we're using today is guess and check. Remember to copy this example problem in your foldable. Make sure that you are pausing the video so that you have enough time to write the entire problem, and then also make sure that you are listening to the explanation as we go through and solve the problem. The story problem today comes from page 43 of the Math 7 textbook. This is number 3, and again, put this in your foldable. This goes in lesson 1-5. This problem deals with ticket sales. The total ticket sales for the school basketball game were $1,625. Adult tickets were $7 each, and student tickets were $3 each. We know that twice as many students bought tickets as adults. So there are more student tickets than adults. How many adult and student tickets were sold? So the what, how, attack, and check. Under the what, we know that there's twice as many student tickets that were sold than adults. And we know that the adult tickets were $7 each and the student tickets were $3 each. We also know that altogether the school took in $1,625 from all of these ticket sales. The strategy that we're going to use is the guess and check strategy because that's our problem-solving investigation that we're focusing on this time. The strategy is guess and check. In the attack stage, I've set up a table. We're going to just guess and check using a table of values. When you're doing the guess and check strategy, make sure that you record your guesses. That way you can adjust if you're too high or too low on your guesses. At least you have a record of what things you've already guessed so that you can make those adjustments. And then in the check stage, we're going to check our answer to make sure that we've answered all parts of the question. Okay, so when you're starting a guess and check, just do a little bit of mental math. We know that there's going to be quite a few tickets that were sold here. So when we start our guessing, just do a little bit of mental math so that you make a reasonable, just even a start. So when you're guessing, I'm going to start with 50 adults, and since there were twice as many student tickets as adults, that means we would have to have 100 student tickets. I wrote this little equation to represent the money that they earned from each of those ticket sales. The $7 is for each adult ticket, so I'm going to put 50 in those parentheses. So altogether from the adult tickets, they took in $350. For the student tickets, since there were 100 of them that we're guessing, $3 each makes a total of $300. When we add the money from the adults and the money from the students, that only adds up to $650. Well, that's too low. So we need to adjust our guess. They needed to have more than 100 student tickets and more than 50 adult tickets. So maybe let's jump this up. Maybe there were 100 adults and 200 students. Remember, twice as many student tickets as adult tickets. So if there were 100 adult tickets, remember those are $7 each, so that's $700 just from the adult sales. And there were 200 student tickets. Since they were $3 each, we multiply that by 3. So that's $600 for student tickets. 700 plus 600 is $1,300. Remember, our magic number we're shooting for is 1,625. So we're still too low. So maybe we are going to up this. And we're not too far off, so I'm not going to up it too much. Maybe let's look at 150. If we double that, because again, twice as many student tickets as adult, twice of 150 is 300. So I'm going to put the 150 in there for the adult tickets. 150 tickets times $7 each is 1,050. Okay, and if there were 300 student tickets at $3 each, that's $900. So altogether that makes $1,950. So this one is too high. Again, our goal, $1,625. So now that we have an idea, we can kind of fine tune our answer. It has to be somewhere between 100 adult tickets and 150 adult tickets. So to start our guessing process, I'm going to just pick one right in the middle of those two. 125 adult tickets. So if we double that adult tickets, double 125, so 125 plus 125 is 250 student tickets. So again, $7 for each adult ticket. So 7 times 125 is $875. And our student tickets are $3 each. And if we bought 250 of them, there we go, that's $750. So now if we add the $875 plus $750, it's right on $1,625. So what we know from this, now we have to go back and make sure that we've answered all parts of it. Do these ticket sales add up to $1,625? Okay, that's the total. Yep. Are there twice as many student tickets as adults? Yep, twice as many student tickets as adults. So then, of course, we would write our answer. There's 125 adult tickets that were sold and 250 student tickets that were sold. Okay, so again, make sure that all of these get in your foldable. If you have any questions or need some clarification, please ask your teacher.